there. Now, you can also choose what kind of background you want. That's the fun part, okay? Don't make it too crazy. So this is the background I choose. And actually, I already made an example. So here is the example I made. I'm going to start from the first page. The first page, I'm going to do a presentation on giraffe. So I type in the name, the title of the animal, and by, this is your name. Don't put my name. I know my name. I want you to put your name. Page 2, it should be about basic information about your animal. And of course, you can add pictures to it. The basic information will be location, environment, food, size, and color. I'll give you more details on the requirements on a separate document. This one is about the environment, where they live. How does it look like? Now, this is the most important part, the adaptations. What are some body features or their behavior that helps them survive in their environment? I find some pictures. I also type out some information. Most importantly, when you find this information, make sure you quote or copy where you find that information and put it on the very last page. And I'll show you in a minute how to do it. But you should have 4 facts about adaptations. Now, I'm going to show you how to finish it up. So I added a new page. You know what? I'm going to delete this. This is the last thing I did, adaptations. I'm going to add a new page because that's the I need another page. So if you put the plus sign right here, it will add a new page right after page 5. Click the title, and the title will be Interesting Facts. Okay, so this is interesting facts about giraffes. I'm going to change the font size to 30, and I've been using Comic Sans. It's up to you what font size and what kind of font you want. Just make it interesting for you. Now, interesting facts about giraffes. Let me think. I already searched up some information for time's sake. So, this is one of them. When giraffes walk, they move both legs on the side. Nah, that's not quite interesting. Oh, I want to know how fast they run. They can reach 55 kilometers per hour or 35 miles per hour at full speed, but only in brief sprints. So they don't really run too fast. Okay, that's the information I need. So I highlight the sentence I want, and I right click and click copy. Now I go back to my slideshow, and I right click again. This time I click paste, and here you go. There's the sentence. Well, look at the fonts and color. That doesn't match what I've been doing. So I highlight the entire sentence. I change the highlight color to transparent. Transparent means there's no background color. Uh-oh, that looks really dark. So the text color, I'm going to change it to white. Now I can see it. And I want to make it bigger. So I'm going to use fonts number 18. And again, I've been using Common Sense. And I want to make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. Okay? I need 2 interesting facts about the animals. Oh, by the way, this is the website I found this information. So I have to quote it. So I go to the very top, go to this URL bar right here. I want you to highlight the entire thing. And once again, right click, copy. Now go back to your slideshow. On the very last page of your slideshow, it should be the sources. That means where you find those information. So I go to the next one, the last one that I use, and I right click and paste. There you go. That's how I quote the sources. Okay? Now if I want to add a picture, I know I need another one. If I want to add pictures, the easiest way is to go to Insert, Image, and search the web. You can find pictures right here. I've been looking for a giraffe's picture, so as you can see, I already have some giraffe's picture on the right side. This time I want to see giraffe run. Enter, And here you go. Oh, I have a picture of giraffe running. So I like this picture. I'm going to double click it, or you can click it once and go insert. Either way is fine. And wait a little bit, and voila, here's the picture. Grab the corner. Now don't do this. Don't just use the left and right side, because look, if you just use the left and right, you're gonna squeeze the picture and it doesn't look good. So the best way is to grab the corner of the picture and shrink it. And here's a picture of giraffe running, okay? And yes, I need 2 facts, so this is just one of them. But this is how you can make a slideshow. And again, I will put all the criteria in a different document to let you see it. When you are done with this, oh, very important, how to turn this in. Click, see this yellow button here? Private to only me. Click share